Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix error loading modes in Minecraft. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the Minecraft interface. Most of the time you face this problem because of your Minecraft version. So as you can see, this is the Java edition. So simply you have to quit the game and uninstall this game, and after quitting it, as you can see here, you can see that it is saying that mode requires Minecraft 1020.1 or above and below version. So basically you have to do is that you have to update your Minecraft version. Simply go to this side and change your Minecraft version easily. You can find a lot of Minecraft versions right here. As you can see, this one here, you can see this is the CurseForge. You can just simply download any Minecraft version from here. You just have to play around. You can see files here. You have to scroll down and you will find many types of Minecraft version, old to new versions. You just have to simply tap onto downloads and download them. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on to another video.